de leven ich will dir fragen, de vier kashes. Man ist dann alleine sehr, Michal Nachmany. Far was ist die Nacht von Pesach, anders von aller Nacht von der ganzen Jahr. Die erste Kasche ist, alle Nacht von der ganzen Jahr, essen wir Chametz und Matzah. Aber die Nacht von Pesach, essen wir nur Matzah.
When you have a Megillah, you can tell a story that is still unfolding. Story of Yetziat Mitzrayim, of Exodus. How do we bring the role of women and make it more visible? How do we bring, because when I think about Exodus, who did the packing? The women. Who did everything? It's not like, bye. Work so hard.
Michal was my Hebrew teacher. Just a delight always to go and sit and learn with Michal because she made the learning not only meaningful, but so much fun.
It's me, like, we can do it. And Fania again. In unity of women, there is strength.
Him and the women took their timbrels in their hands and they went dancing the whole night long. And the women dancing with their timbrels followed Miriam as she sang her song. Sing a song to the one whom we've exalted. Miriam and the women danced and danced the whole night long.
You shall tell your children with B'chol Dor Vador. We did it with a little bit of pearls. And just at on the left side is Hatikva. Our great hope for the future.
For the top generation for generation. I have pictures of all four grandparents. Two grew up here, two met on a boat in 1893,
Wow.
later named the Rotterdam.
That's why you put the word Masa, which means journey.
Yeah, and but I'm going to make Xerox copies of a lot of pictures, small, and put them all over this and give it to my grandson.
That's beautiful. Thank you.
And explain why he should like it.
Yes. Thank you. Marilyn.
And I'm the generation that came out of Egypt.
She came out of Egypt.
The clock represents post-conversion, so I, at the bottom, wrote Joy of Life, because when I converted, I chose my name as Elisa, which is joy. So.
This one says, honor your mother, which is always a good thing.
What do I have here?
B'chol Dor Vador.
B'chol Dor Vador. Okay.
And you put the word?
Okay, and this symbolizes, this also is from generation to generation and symbolizes the various either.
Capture Israel in its natural beauty.
To generation, depicting the women who were there in the early times, but mine is yet unfinished because I will be placing the woman who inspired me to go to Israel. Her name was Maya Gorin. She was a kindergarten teacher of 56 years old who was kidnapped on October 7th.
May we find our way back home. One more time.
lot less symbolic than everyone else's. I also just wanted to embody feminism and pastels and light colors, and I like doing it.
It's meant to represent people in our family with the symbolism. My mom's family in particular, her mother died, so we have like a little bird because we always think of her as a bird, and then she has 4 sisters. And just gold because I'm a very, everything you do should be paved in gold. So.
We need to say that Michal has shown us what a true Israeli powerful woman can be like.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu